This is day 3 of using a chair as a piece of workout equipment. Remember though, make sure your chair is nice and strong, sturdy, so that it doesn't break underneath you while we're working out. Today's leg workout is inspired by everyday movements we do that we take away for granted. So let's start the low intensity interval training workout where we move for 45 seconds, rest in 15 for 5 rounds. Let's make some moves in minutes. The workout begins in 15 seconds. So quite simply, we're gonna stand up, sit back down. To make it easier for yourselves, you can use your hands to support on the chair and sit back down again. Stand up, sit down. Remembering to keep your back nice and postured on the way up and postured on the way down. To make it harder, put your hands on your chest because there's no hand support. It's all in your legs. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to relax and lean back on our chair, put our hands to support, and we're going to kick our legs like so, as if we're swimming our feet. Okay. And 3, 2, 1. Legs out and kick. You can go really fast if you want or really slow. It's all up to you. Three seconds past the halfway point. Ten more seconds into the second round. 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to challenge ourselves. Put our hands in front of our chair. We're going to stand up with one leg and sit back down. Swap to the left, one leg, sit back down. That's right. 3, 2, 1. Right leg, back down. Left leg, back down. Make sure you keep that back nice and straight as you stand up like so and lift your bum off the chair. Fifteen more seconds. 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to do some leg extensions. So sit back on your chair, hands on it to support, and we're going to lift our legs up and bring it back down, keeping your knees together. And stretch your legs out, bring it back down. If you want to make it slightly harder, flex your toes on the way on the top. Like so, flex your toes. If not, just relax and just move your bottom half of your legs up. We're halfway through the second last round. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to do the same thing. Put our hands on the front of our chair and we're going to stand on our tippy toes and sit back down again. Stand on our tippy toes and stand back down again, like we're doing standing calf raises. And stand up on your calves, your toes, and come back down. Repeat This is the final round of our 5-minute workout. Halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great, we're finished. How did you enjoy that leg workout? Could it be more challenging? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you enjoyed that one, because I did. That was quite tough. You really do take for granted your everyday movements. Leave in the comments below telling me how you felt, or you have any other suggestions for future chair workouts. Type it right up. Hit like and subscribe for more workouts, and I'll see you all next time. Also, if you feel like you can do more, revise some of the older videos. Bye!